First I'm going to drop this in, and then I have to cut up the onion. I know, I'm not this organized when I cook. Dilling and everything. That's good.
So to get this in, first I spray it with a little PD blaster to lube up the tube.
Oh, too much dead.
This is why you don't touch capacitors. One. You just seize the broom. So what are we making today?
A cheese ball.
It's gonna be yummy. Great for sports day.
Or whenever. Garbage bowl.
You gotta have a garbage bowl.
So, do some cutting. Gotta get all of it. As our goods are underwater, it's a fresh.
Why you cut them like that?
Well, it's easier to hold if you don't get all the way to the stem, so you can hold it and it doesn't slide around. So
But you cut slices into it.
Yeah, you know, if you cut off both ends and chop them off, you would just put them into slices like that, and then you would be trying to chop them up like this, and they're going to slide around, and you may cut yourself. So I just do them like that, where they hold together. See? Holding together. And then when you do this, and then you just do it again. Just really watch your fingers when you do that.
It makes perfect chunks of onions.
It does. Because there's a lot of slicing. I mean, they separate, an onion separates. So if you cut it on the, what would that be called? Against the grain or whatever? Yeah. They'll just chop. You don't even have to mince it or anything. I'm going to take this away because my eyes are burning. Just a sec. Okay.
Tasting perfection. Tasting perfection. and perfection, taste 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 and
That's the secret to ranch.
Tell me.
Your favorite paper.
Works better than wax. And I don't buy saran plastic wrap. I don't buy that because it's, well, I mean, it's plastic and this will burn. It's paper. It's paper. Anyways. I'm gonna say it's good, but we're gonna let it marinate. It's actually really yummy.
You guys, I get to lick the bowl. There's a big cheese ball.
It's yummy. And I mean, I only used one package, but if you fill it with stuff, it's only a $2.50 cheese ball. Well, for the cream cheese, and not $5.
Okay, guys, I got to taste this. I'm gonna lick the bowl. It's yummy.
It hasn't marinated yet.
No, it has.
It's gonna be better. All right. Okay, we're going. In this shaker, because I'm anal.
That looks yummy.
It is. No, it's really good. It's really like dilly and it's got cheese in it. An onion. You can taste it all too.
I love onion.
Yeah. We're gonna dig into it in a minute.
Y'all stay tuned.
David, and I have boobage hanging out. That concept. Fridge doesn't look good enough for you to eat.
taste and perfection.
You wanna know why I do that?
Why?
So the dill weed doesn't get on the teaspoon and go into the salt. So that's why I do that. They're broken.
She uses the whole ones. The crumbs for fillers and the whole one she puts over
We always got broken ones.
Mm-hmm.
Are you video recording this whole process? Really? Come on, it's kind of boring.
Who's that, Brett? Bella? Who's that?
He's got somebody here.
Yes, I hear him.
It's alright, I'm gonna just look at him like...
Bella's patiently waiting.
We heard y'all.
Oh.
We're waiting on y'all. You just have to do one
Close the door.
last thing and then you guys can devour this cheese ball.
Oh, I'm sorry.
I know you will. Finish this up and you'll have a cheese ball. And I'm making this. We'll be done in like literally less than a minute.
I need food now.
It's about to be ready. It's a snack.
This is the teenager server. They come in for food.
Okay.